Hey.
Up.
What's up? Okay guys, Jordan and I are down in our basement because we are going to turn my eBay area into a kids jungle gym paradise. Jordan's pretty excited about it, so he's on board.
It'll be fun.
I have my shipping area here. That is stuff I need to list. That I could take down for now. Those are like my summer dresses and then other clothes I'm getting rid of. And then this is all my boutique stuff. And this is my setup for a market that I'm doing this weekend. So that'll all be out of here. Why are you grinning?
Oh, just the Crunchy's face. I love it.
It's so cute. Drop shoulder sweaters. So cute.
I just miss Crunchers.
We're gonna take those boxes and put them inside these bigger boxes.
Okay.
I'm gonna move that metal thing over there, that metal table over here, and put it underneath those white cabinets. I'm gonna move, that's like, you know, chairs and stuff that I can move over in the kids area for now. If it doesn't work later, I'll get rid of them. This table can be folded down. Anyway, stick around and see how it turns out. It could be an epic fail, or it could be an epic win.
I think it's gonna be a win. Anything is better than this.
Okay, so we've cleared this area. Now we're gonna move that table over there. Oh, I'm so sorry, honey. Did I just ram that into your toe?
Yes.
I'm so sorry.
Told you that would fit perfect.
Oh, you're so right.
Remember, I was like, that has to go there. Like if that didn't go here, I would have been so devastated.
Oh, it kind of looks like we made an even bigger mess, but I assure you we have not.
Dude, it's gonna be like a secret entrance to the kids area.
The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe.
It's like a cluttered mess, but dude, you really could. Like if you had bins, like another rack like this, like here, then the entrance would be like right through here.
Tell me more. Don't. I like it all the way open. I cannot believe you would do that.
I love you.
Ching, ching. So this whole display is going to be gone in the next 3 days. It will not be put back up here. It's just a tester. Here's what we have so far. A nice open playroom, kind of.
Well, these chairs aren't gonna go here.
No, this stuff isn't gonna live here. All these clothes I'm gonna list. And here's like my boutique items. Working on getting this stuff all out of here. These shoes, I'm gonna have Hank list all that stuff to earn some money. So yeah, I'm sweating. Probably because I have like a Sherpa and sweatpants on, but.
This is like a decent.
Okay, good night, you guys. Let's open it. You're so beautiful. You see yourself? Now we just gotta let it fluff up. Hey, matches our rug. That's cute. And our pillows, perfect. This is gonna be a great addition to our downstairs playroom.
And we could set that right there so we can set it up right there.
Here's the little play set we got.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Got the tools, screwdriver, bendy thing.
And some dirty laundry.
Yes.
Because because we like to multitask. So I'm gonna throw in a load of dirty laundry and then get back to it.
And I like the top.
Why do you always say that? Okay, this is taking way too long. June and I need some power tools, so we're gonna go look for Dad's screwdriver.
So they're power tools, so we can use power to get it up really easy, right?
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Work smarter,
And I have chocolate.
not harder. This is a game changer. Look at how fast this. Oops, that one wasn't as smooth as my others. Just right in there. So nice.
Don't listen to her.
We're gonna have this set up in no time.
Got it? Oh, don't drag it. Well, I can't find any other way to do it.
Jeez.
Well,
where? Look at this little cutie pie. Oh, Hank. He's such a butt. He can't wait to play on his new play set.
Me too.
I know. Heath just spilled all of his crackers. Are you gonna pick them up, Heath?
No. I can't still Yeah, Dad. Yeah, that's
More for the baby. Okay. He's such a butt. Heath, what did I say?
He wants to chill.
Are you gonna spill?
You
are?
Okay, where's this going?
Leave it like that. They should be able to go around it.
Okay.
And then this has
Sit down on your butt.
to... Yep, sit down. There you go.
Go down. Go down.
Yay! Heath's first time down the slide.
This is how we live. What is it?
This is cool for ants. Playroom is coming along great. I've ordered monkey bars, a climbing rope, and what else? Oh, some like hanging sacks, and now I'm going to draw all over the walls. I want to make fun and like vibrant and colorful because this is like a kid's play area, right? So I'm gonna do some blues and yellows and pinks and a bunch of different tones. So I'm just gonna draw some squigglies and just kind of go for those like droopy kind of wavy 70s vibes
77.
with color.
Color. It's about that wide.
It's about that time to draw on our walls.
It's about that time. Bye.
In a minute, I'm gonna need to draw all over my funky walls.
Okay, that's this line.
Do you like that? Ooh, baby, baby.
Stop at the windows. This looks good, Mom. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. Alright, it's about that time. Turn up the music, turn down the lights.
Pink's gonna be wild off the charts. Blue's gonna be a little more mellow. I don't know what's gonna be happening with the yellow. Hey, I think the yellow's gonna be my favorite. This could quite possibly be the worst mural, or it could be like pretty okay. I probably should have looked up some videos on how to do a mural first. came up with this idea and went for it. I don't have high expectations, but I still think it's gonna turn out fine. That's gonna be blue, that's gonna be yellow, and then that's gonna be pink. What do you think about that?
I don't like that at all.
Okay, it's time. I'm gonna slap some color up on that wall and see how it goes. I'm gonna start with the yellow. I'm gonna let that dry, come back down and do a second coat. And actually, since baby's sleeping still, I'm gonna, I could probably do the blue. So maybe I'll come back and do that. I want to get Jordan's reaction and June's reaction when they come inside. Hank's already seen it, and I knew he'd love it because he's like my #1 hype man. He's always like, wow, Mom, that's so cool, or oh, Mom, I love that you did that, or oh, that looks great. So he's always a shoo-in for some uplifting, I don't know, support. That's what I was looking for. So anyways, now to the lighter tone of blue. Hey, honey.
Mom, you did all this?
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah. So, Mom, that's really cool. I didn't know what colors you were painting. I didn't know. This is really cool. You're gonna fix that up, then we're gonna play room to play downstairs with this Sarah. Can't hear you. I can't wait to see pink how it turns out.
Oh, I know. Pink's the best.
Wanna wake up on a Monday morning, wanna come out in a place of joy with the love.
That's
Did
pretty.
Hank already saw this?
He only saw a little bit of it. Was he being a little butthead?
Yeah.
It's okay, just ignore him.
He doesn't know how you're painting this.
Nah, he ain't got a clue.
Wanna wake up on a Monday morning, wanna come out in a place of joy. I can't hear you. I can't hear. He's coming.
Yay!
He's gonna freak out when he sees this. Hey,
I
look
know.
at the walls. Aren't they
I
cute?
know. I saw. It's cool. I like it.
I do not like this.
I don't have any place.
Yes, you do. But not like face, a happy face, and a sad face.
We are back from Lowe's. We got some eye hooks to hang stuff. We got some more paint and and a stud finder. Hank's sick.
And Hank's sick.
So we're trying to finish up this game room before we all get sick. Time lapse mode. First coat is done. It took me 1 day, and that was having to go back to Lowe's and everything. Jordan got all this stuff hung up. Here, let me flip you around. 1 sec. So here's first coat of paint. You can see the pencil marks. The blue's not really contrasting like I want it to, so I might need to add some white with it. Hank isn't feeling good, and he made this little fort out of the nugget couch and is passed out. And June is just happy as can be, singing, keeping us company.
I can do really cool stuff on this.
That's
like
awesome.
This. Stay tuned and we're on to the video.
Do you want to show everyone our basement and the final results of
Yes.
the play area?
Yeah.
Okay.
So to the right on this little swing and this, I like to call it the nest.
Yes. Feels like
This
this.
I like to call it the swing. And then when you turn this way again, there's the kitchen and then the doghouse. Then when you do straight, there's the little play thing. And then when you do the other left, you can see monkey bars, then the climbing thing. That's all.
And Heath's car. And Heath's drawing board. And later we will bring down the Hot Wheel track on the wall somewhere. Jordan wants to also add some cabinets up there. Okay, let's see it. That's crazy, Hank.
I could do that too.
Who is that?
Feet up. When you twist I'm the only one.
So that's it, you guys. This is our new basement play area.
A million times. Hey, mommy's on vacation.
Because I love my occupation.
Ow.